Hey everyone, so this would be a Smart Devil screen protector installation as well as a review of it because about a week or two ago I got one on my 13 mini here. Today I'm going to be doing it on my mom's 12 Pro Max. So the screens themselves are the same, but the installation is a little bit different. So first we're going to do the installation, then we're going to talk about the screen protector itself. So in the packet you actually get 3 of the screen protectors. I have one here, and you also get the installation guide. There, you get the actual instructions, and then you also get 3 little packets. Each one has like a little wipe, the cloth, and then a duster, de-duster sticker there as well. So like I said, there's other 3 are in here, and then the instructions were in this little guide as well here. Again, this is for a Smart Devil. Go ahead and put this off to the side. So to begin with, you of course want to take off your old screen protector if you have one on here. Again, this is my mom's 12 Pro Max. She's had this thing for quite some time, whenever they came out years ago. So it is a little bit dirty. I cannot kind of get some of the stuff off here. But first, you want to do 1, then 2, and then 3. So let's go ahead and we'll do the wipe. Now this is easy enough for pretty much anybody to be able to do. If you are young or if you're older, you should be able to do this pretty easily. So first we just want to take this and kind of wipe it all down here with the wet wipe type guy. That will kind of remove anything that is, again, a bit of nastiness on there. Probably don't really want to get that into your, like I just did. Okay, then we'll do number 2, which is going to be the cloth here. That will kind of dry it on out. We'll do that. All right, and then like I said, this phone is not going to get 100% clean because this thing is pretty old. It is constantly getting nasty. Should have seen when I took off the old screen protector. 3 we'll do next. So again, 1, 2, and then 3. And so I'll keep turning on here. Kind of do it. This is how I like to do them. You guys do however you want to do it. Or kind of get anything that is left over, or the dust that might be stuck on it that the other 2 did not get off. Okay, so that's just going to keep on turning on anytime I touch it. All right, then once you've done those 3 steps there, you want to take your cover, put it into the plastic outline here, put it on, snap it on to the phone, as you see there. And we can see the arrow down here. Make sure it's on. Pull that on out, like so. And you can see it is adhering right now. We will let it adhere for a moment here. All right, then after a moment, go ahead and remove that. Go ahead and remove that. And then it should be nice and adhered onto there. And then going back to my mini here. So this is one I did not too long ago. I think it was like a couple weeks ago here. So this is, again, the same screen protector, but of course different phone. Again, this is my actual phone. The other one is my mom's. So again, it's been a couple weeks, and there's no scratches or anything else on this, except for some scratches you can see through the protector that's on the phone itself. So of course this is see-through, so of course you don't see any scratches on the phone itself, of course. So this is nice and scratch resistant. Then of course these are HD, as they call them, screen protectors, so you're going to be able to see through it as if there was no screen protector on there whatsoever. It's kind of just like looking at your actual screen. Does not interfere with the colors or anything else. It's not going to make it look any worse than if you did not have one on there. These are also hydrophobic, so they will resist water. So I'm going to take a little bit of water here. This is why I now have what this is on. I don't want to pour too crazy much on here. But you can see there. Hopefully you guys can see that. See the water driplets they're just moving all around. So like that is really cool. So if you do accidentally get some water on here, it should come right on off. Yeah, like that's pretty cool. And you can see now it's all on the side of the towel. So like this is hydrophobic. So again, if you do accidentally pour some water or liquids on it shouldn't matter. It should not hurt your screen whatsoever. And then show off some of the strength here. So if you do end up bending this, of course you don't want to like bend it in half, but you can see it is pretty flexible as well. So it means it should be nice and strong. You know, it's just not going to snap on you. It's not just going to crack on you on your phone. So all in all, these things are awesome. I highly recommend them. Thank you to Smart Devil for sending me another one for my mom's phone here. I guess I'm really enjoying the one that's on my Mini. It's doing an excellent job at being a screen protector. So yeah, like I said, it is strong. It is it's strong. It's easy to install. It's used as long as you use the little guide here. This thing is super easy to install. It should take a very short amount of time, and if you're young or old, you should be able to do it just fine. They are scratch resistant. They are, as we saw, they're bendable, so they're not going to crack easy on you. And they're also hydrophobic, as I shut off, as I keep putting my phone in the dampness. Yeah, so all in all, very awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.